to the very first video. This is Swahili Greetings. So like we said in the introduction video, when you're speaking Swahili, the emphasis always comes on the penultimate syllable. So that's something we'll remember as we're learning the Swahili greetings. When I teach a language, I'll teach you the Swahili, I'll teach you the contextual meaning, meaning what that word means in the context of what you're using it in, and then the literal translation. I like to have the literal translation so you know exactly what the words mean. That way if you see them in another context, you'll still understand what the definition of that word is, what the translation of that word is. So let's get started. The very first one is Scammel. Again, emphasis comes on the penultimate syllable. Sh-ka-mo. The emphasis comes on the ka. Scammel. And it contextually means a greeting with respect, or I greet you with respect. The literal translation is, I am under your feet. It's an Arabic word, but it's really common in Tanzania. You won't hear it in Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Congo. You're only going to hear it in Tanzania, and it means I greet you with respect. So if you are young and you're greeting someone older than you, you would say shkamo. If you are older and you see a child, they'll be greeting you, shkamo. The answer is marahaba. Marahaba. The emphasis comes on the ha, marahaba, and that means I answer you with respect. Shkamo, marahaba. Marahaba literally means I appreciate your greeting. So again, if a little child passes you and they say shkamo, you're going to answer marahaba. Again, that's only in Tanzania. If you're outside of Tanzania, you'll have a less formal greeting, more commonly heard, hujambo. Hujambo. The emphasis comes on jam. Hujambo. It means how are you? It's not as formal as shkamo, but it's slightly more formal than mambo, which we'll learn in a minute. Hujambo literally means you, no problems. No problems, no issues, no things. It's a question, it's a greeting that you'll find, and again, it's kind of middle ground. It's not very formal, it's not street slang, it's middle ground. Hujambo, how are you? No issues, to which you will answer, sijambo, means I'm fine, but if you literally translate it, si means me in the negative, and jambo means issues. Sijambo means I have no issues. Hujambo, sijambo. Again, penultimate syllable. Sijambo. Moving on, the next one is mambo. You might hear mambo or you might hear mambo vipi. Both of them are the same, and this is your most informal, this is your street slang. You'll hear it from young people in the street greeting you as you walk by. Mambo or mambo vipi, or even just vipi, basically means what's up. If you want the literal translation, it means issues, or issues which. Mambo vipi means issues which. So what are your issues? What's up? How's it going? A very, very informal greeting that you'll hear around young people, little kids, youth, just kind of greeting each other informally on the street. There's a lot of answers for it. You can pick which one you like best. There's a lot of different slangs, and every day there's a new one coming out. The most common ones right now are poa, shwari, mzuka, level, or fresh. All of them mean the same thing. You can practice them, get familiar with one of them. They're all basically slang for good, great, fine. Poa means cool in the actual literal context as well. So poa, when you translate it, means cool. You might see this in another sentence. If someone's talking about the food getting cold or the tea being cold, they'll say, ime poa. The food is cold. Shwari, mzuka, level, and fresh, they don't really have any translations. They're all just different ways for saying good. So just to go over them one last time. Shkamo, greeting with respect. Marahaba, responding with respect. Hujambo, sijambo. That's your middle ground greeting. And your slang greeting, mambo. And then you can say poa, shwari, mzuka, level, fresh. Stay tuned for our next videos as we go farther and farther into the Swahili language.